guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am cleaning up my office. It is kind of a disaster. You guys know I run a sticker shop and things have been a little crazy around here lately, so I need to clean everything up and get everything straightened up because I'm actually going to be out of town, and probably when this video goes up I'm either already out of town or I'm back, I'm not sure, but James is running the shop for me while I'm gone. I have some family stuff I have to take care of, and so I'm gonna be gone for a little, like a couple weeks. And so thankfully James is awesome and he helps me run my shop and does so much for me, so I'm so grateful for that. But I want to make sure that I have this office space organized and tidy for him, and it's easy for him to find things, so that way it makes his job just that much easier. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to do a full office clean with me, and I'm going to just show you guys the areas that we're going to be cleaning, and then we will clean them, obviously. Okay guys, so here is the state of my office. It's not horrible, but it's also not great. So we have some stuff here I need to clean off. Obviously that whole thing needs to be clean. There's just papers everywhere. I need to take out the trash. I need to organize some stickers. I need to throw some of this stuff away. I need to organize the cart. This is like my packaging cart, so I have like business cards, Xylo bags, I usually have freebies and some envelopes, so I want to make sure I restock all of that for him and just clean up my space. So that is what we're going to do. I'm just gonna get started. It's gonna be very vlog style. I hope that's okay with you guys. I just really need to get this done. I'm running out of time today. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with the office clean with me. So my office space is clean. It's ready to go. This has been restocked. Everything is good to go for James running my shop. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this quick office clean with me. I know it wasn't super long. I didn't go into a super deep clean. I just needed to get this done today. But I figured it was fun to share it with you guys, and I hope you enjoyed just watching me tidy my office space. And I promise to do a like deep clean. I have like a bunch of stuff to go through here, so I will definitely be doing a deeper clean of my office soon, but for now I just wanted to get it ready to go for James. So that is going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to click the subscribe button. I do all kinds of cleaning, lifestyle, and behind the scenes of my business videos, so if you guys are interested in that, make sure to click that subscribe button. But that is it for today's video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.